All right, everybody, we are going to start 15-2, which is just more numerical patterns. So we're kind of doing the same thing, working with a table, using the rule and figuring out what the relationships are between the two things that you will be comparing. So here's the solve and share. During summer vacation, Julie read 45 pages each day. Her brother Brett read 15 pages each day. Complete the table to show how many pages each of them read after 5 days. What relationship do you notice between the terms in each pattern? So the whole objective of this lesson is so that you can use tables to identify relationships between patterns. So let me get my pencil over here. Okay, so let's look. It says Julie read 45 pages each day. Wow, 45 pages. So her rule here, Julie's rule is 45, add 45. Okay, so I'm just going to put that below her table so we remember that that's her rule. And then let's do Brett's rule is Brett read 15 pages each day. So that would be to add Brett's rule would be to add 15. We're going to move that underneath his table. Okay. So day 1, Julie reads 45 pages. Day 2, we need to add 45 because she reads another 45 pages. So 45 plus 45 is 90. Ooh, that's probably too thick. Okay, and then 90 plus 45 is 135. And then plus another 45 pages for day 4, which is 180, plus another 45 pages for day 5, which is 225. Okay, for Brett, remember his rule is to add 15. So day 1, he reads 15 pages, and then we need to add another 15 pages for day 2. So 15 plus 15 is 30. 30 plus 15 for day 3, add 15, remember, is 45. 45 plus 15 is 60. And for day 5, we add another 15 because he reads another 15 pages. So 60 plus 15 is 75. Okay. So now we know the total pages for Julie and we know the total pages for Brett. So next it says, what relationship do you notice between the terms in each pattern? So Julie's pages is a term and Brett's pages is another term. They want to know what's the relationship between Julie and Brett. So day 1, Julie reads 45, Brett reads 15. 90, 30, 135, 45, right? So you're trying to look for a pattern. Is it twice as much, 3 times as many, 4 times as many? And here we can say 15 times 3 is 45. 30 times 3 is 90. 45 times 3 is 135. So hopefully you're catching the pattern that Julie reads 3 times as many pages as Brett each day. So I'm going to type that out since that is part of the answer. That Julie read 3 times as much as Brett. Okay, and that is the relationship that I notice between the terms in each pattern. Now, if you just wrote Julie read more, that's not a specific enough pattern. That's not a relationship between the terms, okay? All right, so we're just continuing numerical expressions. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or Mr. Kent, and we'll be more than happy to assist. Okay, guys, we'll talk to you later.